This is the trade we took today. Yeah, we had no news today, I think. Yeah, no news today. And I was basically, my bias was bullish just because we had a lot of confluence like to the downside. So we had this daily pivot point and an order block. We tapped into the order block. And we also had a liquidity sweep. We didn't sweep liquidity, but that was enough confluence. We've still been making higher lows, higher highs. So I mean, what are you gonna change bias for? We did kind of break structure here. So we had a low created. We broke past this low, but I wasn't really too worried about it just because we had fair value gap here. Boom. That we tapped into 1 hour fair value gap. We had a 1 hour fair value gap in here. We also had this. Oh, we actually didn't tap into the order block. Never mind. Okay, so we had this 4 hour fair value gap, 1 hour fair value gap that we wicked out of, and we also broke structure on the 15-minute. So pre-market, we broke out of this fair value gap, as you can see here. So we had two fair value gaps here. We had this one, this small one. We broke past it. We also had this bigger one that we broke past. So that was basically giving me bullish confirmation. We also had a 15-minute fair value gap once we broke above 15-minute fair value gap created. And I basically just waited a little bit for this 15-minute fair value gap to get filled. So bull market open. And again, this is one of the reasons why I wait till at least 9:40 to place a trade, just because there's a lot of manipulation in the first 10-15 minutes of the trading session. So as you can see, we were coming up, and I know a lot of people probably bought here thinking it would go up higher, but it always manipulates around 9:30 to 9:45, sometimes 9:50, just depending. But I was basically looking at this 15-minute fair value gap right here, and yeah, we entered off of a expansionary move out of it. So we had boom, tap into here, expansionary move up. I entered here at this candle. Oh, no, my bad. I was going to enter here at the closure of this candle, but I decided to wait a little bit because I felt like it would go lower to this 5-minute. So I was basically just waiting for another confirmation. So we had another push up, and I entered at the closure of this candle, but with spread and everything, it was more like up here at this candle. So yeah, I was basically just holding. I was really keen on moving stocks to break even once we broke this 15-minute high that was created in pre-market. So we had a 15-minute high created here, and once we broke past this high, I was really just I'm moving stocks to break even, and then just risk-free trade. So even there, it was a 1 to 0.45 ratio. My bad. And yeah, so I had my TP1 at equilibrium of swing high to swing low. So this swing high up here, boom, to swing low right there. I've noticed, and I've started to place my TPs a little bit lower than the actual take profit. So I would rather move it down here just a little bit lower, just to have a more secure take profit. And same with my second TP. I only had 2 TPs because I'm on a smaller account right now. So I mean, I only have 2 lots that I can trade with. So I just take one off and then the other one. But yeah, so I didn't have my CP all the way up here. I had it a little bit lower, just right there. And yeah, it was CP2. I mean, it was a 3 to 0.7 ratio. I mean, super good trade. I am not going to trade the rest of the week pretty much because we have FOMC tomorrow. And then Thursday, I might be keen on trading just because it's PMI. But then Friday, for sure, no trade because Powell speaks. But yeah, I mean, that was basically the trade. And peace.